All right, hey, it's time to go. Welcome to Forex.Today, the YouTube community of more than 20,000 foreign exchange traders. We gather here today to conduct technical and fundamental analysis with the overriding goal of planning our trades in advance because trading is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term. Never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Hey, my name is Wayne. Extreme close up. Good to see you. Hey, let's get going. We got markets opening in about 30 minutes. It's 9. Well, actually, it says 8:59 on my microwave. It says 9:02 on my Rolex. I don't know what time it is. Nobody knows what time it is, right? Cool. So, anywho, we'll figure all this out. We'll go through the charts. Stuff like that. Markets are going open. Hey, are you selling Kiwi? Huh? Could be a rabbit. Could be selling Kiwi. What else going on? Where should we start? I guess maybe we'll pull up TRADARS. Let's do TRADARS. Check sonars. Okay. Big thing coming up tomorrow, next session. Big busy day. We have a lot of different things coming out. Obviously, the interest rate decision takes precedent tomorrow. There's JOLTS tomorrow. There's ISM manufacturing tomorrow. A lot of volatility coming our way on Wednesday. Put that on your calendar. Okay. Anything else going on? Have you gone through the radars yet? Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I'm putting together a presentation having seen 27,000 iterations of chart patterns over the last year. Yeah, well, that makes sense, Cave. You were emailed probably 10 times that was going to happen. Remember, it's not them, so don't get mad at Trader's Way. That's meta quotes. So anyways, what was I, 27,000 iterations of chart patterns, and I know which ones work best and which ones work least. Amazing, huh? Amazing. So anyways, cool. Kiwi, did you watch today's quant box? Yeah. Well, here's one that you should be stewing on right here, right now. Anything else, maybe? Look at that. In the last hour, this was set up. Okay. It's 6:30 in the morning, so 7:30 in the morning, so about an hour before this green candle. You're welcome. Kiwi CAD not having the same, well, maybe a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, it's right. It's struggling. No. See, what we're doing here, okay? Where's my drawing tool? Oh, here it is. Okay, what we were doing, and again, I released the QuantBox video early this morning, much earlier than normal. So here's an hourly candle. So this is brand new. So 1, 2, 3 hours ago. So this is 9, so 8 and 7. So yeah, so right in here, we spent the QuantBox video preparing this to drop. Okay, we spent an hour preparing for this to rise. We spent an hour preparing for this to rise. Okay, this one to fall, but I'm bearish on both. So what can I say? We spent this whole period. See all these green candles? We spent this morning preparing for this to drop. Shalakalaka. Okay. Interesting, huh? Interesting. Okay, so all of that is set up by economic fundamentals, what we call macroeconomics. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the 1H. Okay. So down in here, where's my drawing tool? We spent 1 hour preparing for this to go up. Okay. Nice. 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 Cool. Cool beans. Okay. Boom, ba-doom, boom, ba-doom, boom. Boom, ba-doom, boom, ba-doom, boom. Boom, ba-doom, boom, ba-doom, boom. Okay. Yeah, so I actually thought it was so important that I released. So usually I release the video like 11 o'clock in the morning. I released it immediately so those that had subscribed to QuantBox would learn from it and have the opportunity. So if you're not subscribed, what can I do? It's free. What can I do? Yeah. Okay. It's there. I guess I can open it for you. YouTube.com/@QuantBox. Okay. How to trade Forex like an institutional investor using technical and fundamental analysis. That's all right. All right. Good morning, everybody. You know, it just occurred to me I haven't been uploading videos to YouTube. I should probably upload a couple of these since I do the disclaimer every day. But anyways, hey, welcome to QuantBox Live. Okay, so let's see if we can go into the future. Look at me drawing it out. Yeah, drawing it and drawing it. And we had a great discussion with Rick. See, Euro Kiwi. Discussing it in great detail. Going through all the Kiwi pairs. But we did a deep dive specifically into these charts. Oops. Well, anyways. So you'll have to watch it. It was good. I thought it was good. It was great. Okay. So anyways, there's the pig kiwi. Beautiful, right? Roll reversal, tomorrow's pivot. So anywho. So now I want to focus on the stock market. Okay. And we had quite a few different conversations over the last day or two about things like rollover. Roll reversal, I should say. You see this? Okay. And a big test of the bottom part of the range, definitely plausibly becoming bearish again. Okay. Looks like there could be some risk off. We don't know. Let me zoom out a little bit here. Looks like I missed my sell limit by just minutes. You can see what could be potentially shaping up. Again, here's the roll reversal. Okay, opportunities for selling or hedging. Very plausibly in the cards. Okay, back out a little bit. Plan A. So we did this on Thursday. When Thursday we were low, we planned out price rising all the way to plan A. So it rose for 2 days. And now we're entering Tuesday, and it's plausible. We don't know, but it's plausible for a potential for the down and the up and the down. Okay? That kind of stuff. Yes, Anthony. Remember that it's not Trader's Way. Don't get mad at Trader's Way. It's meta quotes. Okay, so anyways, very, very interesting price level in here, okay? And the rolling over is a possible interesting setup to the downside, right? Okay. So cool. So look, very, very plausibly risk off today. How about global stocks? No, I understand, Anthony. No, I was making the comment the cave, right? Yeah. Yeah. It's yeah, but some people get confused. They're like, why is Trader's Way closing my trades? No, that's not what's happening, and that's why you've received 15 emails, right? Yeah. Good. So, well, somebody might not know. Okay, Hong Kong went from the bottom of her channel now to the top of her channel. Oh, yeah, I didn't mean anything negative by it, Cave. I'm sure if you asked a question, Cave, there's 15 or 20 other people that haven't said it. Okay. So anywho, so now we're at the top of the range. Probably an opportunity for a little pullback again. Okay. Are we all We're all stepping on each other's toes, huh? All right, I'll quit reading in the chat. But good up over the last couple of days, right? Notice from the bottom of her channel to the upper part of the channel. If I zoom back out, we can see my entry again, and it's back down in here. So so far so good. Rising above to the right. Take a look at the FTSE, and the FTSE was a weaker performer, but now is doing actually quite well relative. There's like a catch-up phase going on. And the pound was relatively strong recently, and so Things like pound kiwi and pound yen have been decent performers. But laggards, like if we look at QuantBox, one of the things we do is we look at all the stock market indices against each other, and for 6 months to 9 months, FTSE was a huge laggard. NASDAQ was a huge winner, and Nikkei was even a huger winner. And well, so everything else is taming and calming. FTSE's staging a comeback, which is interesting. Notice here that we were talking about the potential for a top of the range, and it got above that. It came up and it used it, and not as resistance, but as support. All right. That's really something. Meanwhile, the Australian stock market, it continues to be in a downward trend and in a potential sell zone. Right? You see that? The support, drag it over here and then down. That could be interesting. Japanese stock market. Okay. Potentially a 1, 2, 3 reversal to the upside. Okay. 1 is a double bottom. 2 is a higher high. So if you're going to be a bull on this, 3, you're going to look for a higher low, often a roll reversal, but that's a little too tight here. So I would suggest like that. Okay. No cave. Jim doesn't know the future. Imagine this, cave. One day, the main platform for you're running a broker. Let's say you're running Traders Way. And your main platform is MetaQuotes. And then one day MetaQuotes just shows up out of the blue. We're shutting all these accounts down. Huh. Well, so now that's the main platform. So now Traders Way has to, find a new platform, talk to the new platform provider, sign licenses and deals and hand over money for the new platform provider, then go through an onboarding process, and then go through a technical setup process, and then add liquidity providers from 1, 2, or 3 different service providers, get it all set up, get it on the servers, test all the stuff. Like, it's not like you just can't buy something and like the next day you have, these things are quite complex, and there's a lot of rules and processes to get them set up properly. So, but trust you, me, it's important to Traders Way. So imagine people are not sleeping while they're getting this. Yeah. So patience, grasshopper. All right, cool. I wanted to look at metals today. How about you? Okay, silver collapsed like 2% yesterday, and so that trade plan has failed. What about down in here? Let's look at it from a higher time frame. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Are we going to play this as the zone? Well, then we're going to have to take the lowest low, and that's about a 50. Yeah, so what are we interested in? 26, just between 26 and 25.50? 25.50? Yeah, okay. 26 maybe. All right, maybe. I guess we can get rid of this. We don't need that anymore. Huh. All right, so we'll have to wait a little bit on silver. Okay, gold. Let's take a look at it from a higher time frame. Ooh, that's bearish. All right. Hey now. Yeah. All right. Well, that's real. That's legit, and silver following it, huh? Platinum is doing good. Palladium down. Dollar strong. Dollar strong. Dollar. Let's pop that out a little further. Dollar strong. So definitely we got some risk off today, which is great because in that QuantBox presentation at that time, which was 6:30 this morning, there was some risk on showing on the risk gauges, but I'm like, you know what? It feels like we're at resistance and risk off is coming. Okay, so that's risk off. Yeah. Wowzer, wowzer. Yeah, wowzer. All right, all right. Going into the new month too, that puts us down to 57, huh? Sell in May and go away. Yeah. Yep. Pig, look at this pig, beautifully set up on the, like the two selling prices of the day. Okay. These are the two prices. Yeah. Looks like lower highs, lower lows. Wow. Continue up maybe here. Let's go into a smaller time frame. Now back to 57.50. So that's 200 pips from yesterday. Yeah. All you had to do was buy the dip. Okay. And of course, I've made a lot of commentary about that. In fact, let's look at some more yens. Okay. There's yet another scalp. Let me zoom in so you can see. No, it won't zoom in. 30-minute maybe. Okay, this is the second scalp in 2 days. Okay, so I can move my stop to break even. Back out a little bit. I mean, it's hard to fit this in properly. 5-minute. Wonder if we can just change the template here. What would work? I don't know if daily would even work. Okay. The range is just so big, it's hard to believe it. Yeah. In fact, yeah, it's really interesting. So let me go to day trading bullish bias. Maybe, I mean, it's just crazy the size of that buy zone, huh? So anyways, tiptoeing north. I need to turn on the other target, the conservative target. I'll put that on there. So really, more realistically, I'm thinking this target, not today's target, because today's target is based on the collapse there. Well, that ain't good. Okay, so I'm eyeballing that, but really, I think I got it at break even. Might as well go for the home run now, huh? So I'm in at, what, 96, and we're at 97.20. So I'm up 100 pips from that little... That's the second scalp from yesterday. Okay, CAD yen performing the same. Aussie yen performing the same. Kiwi not performing, but Kiwi is the one that we're selling right now, so it's weak versus weak. It's just not a good trade. Euro performing the same. Okay, it's using the moving averages. It's right. It's working beautifully, in fact. Okay. Okay, little free and clear kind of trade. If you look in here, just won't zoom in. These candles are just a little too big. But there's all these little like dip, right? Look at that. It topped out 1, 2, 3, 4 hours to set up a buy. 4 hours for you to set up a buy, and now it's gone. Okay, it's not too fast, right? You're just not looking at it. It's hard to see in there, right? There, that's easier to see, right? Okay. Buy, roll reversal, right? Higher high, right? Roll reversal. Higher high, roll reversal. Higher high. Okay, what do you think? Roll reversal. These things are existing. They're there. But you won't see them if you're not looking. Okay. Again, when you make a higher high, look left, drag it across. That's the new projected buy zone. New higher high, look left, drag it across. That's the new projected buy zone. Now we've made a higher high. Is this the new projected buy zone? I don't know. Could be a rabbit, could be. Just basic price action. Anyone that's paid the $88 should be an absolute total expert at trading this way. Expert, I'm telling you. Okay. So that is golden. Stock market open any second. So you got to get back. Have you decided, are you going to sell a rip? What if it spikes on the open and for the first 30 minutes we have green candles? Are you going to sell the green candles? Or are you going to buy the dip now? Okay. What have you decided? Yeah. Sorry. Well, the market is opening. Oh, boop. That's the. I didn't give you the quant box link, huh? Where did you go? I've now lost the. It's not that. Is it this one? Yeah. Here we go. Live streaming. There we go. Yeah, except for the summers, Highlander. %80 of people said this would be just fine. And I have some announcements that I'm not going to make today that will help those or be impactful to those that like me being around or like coaching being around during the news events. Okay, well, there's a secret coming. Shh. There's a secret coming. Yeah. But I can't tell you today. Cool. So I'm watching. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Plan A, Plan B. Plan A still plausible. Got to deal with the vol on the open, and so that's what I'll be eyeballing. Okay. I'll be eyeballing that. Very cool. Peace on earth. May the pips be with you. May your profits be above average.